Are they playing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, don't bite me.
I'm not gonna bite you.
Ava, they're not going to bite you.
I'm not gonna bite you. And
They're just gonna sniff you.
That's coffee cream. Oh yeah, watch them now. They're gonna jump and they're gonna bump heads. That's the way they play.
Just like doggies. Like dogs.
Yeah, they do. They get up on their hind legs and they bump heads.
Ava, what's wrong? You're so mad?
Yeah.
Why?
Give a seat, Mommy.
Ava, tell me why you're mad. Cause why? Ava! Okay, we're gonna leave pretty soon. 5-minute warning. Don't waste it being mad. Wouldn't you rather play with the goats? Because we're gonna leave in 5 minutes.
I'm not mad anymore.
Oh, well,